I've noticed people keep saying that gaming is dying. It's not. What changed isn't the players or the developers, it's the incentives. And if you care about gaming, whether you play or build, that matters to you. Let's go back to the golden era of games. It didn't last long, but it mattered. Indie devs were everywhere. AAA studios were hungry. Every ounce of love, creativity, and fun went into these games. Smaller teams cared about us because they built for passion, not for profit. They took risks that AAA studios just simply cannot. A failed indie title might shutter a studio. A failed AAA game could cost thousands of jobs. And games weren't consistently updated from the cloud. Bought a disc, and that was what you got. Bugs, glitches, you live with them until the next release. There was a freedom to play, which we don't see much of today. Now, the system has shifted. Retention loops, engagement metrics, monetization, algorithmic discovery. Companies learn that the more you play, the more likely you are to spend money. Every tap, every session, every notification, it's optimized to keep you in the loop. But for indie devs who want to make fun games, the algorithm is going to bury you. Fun doesn't always sell. Addiction does. The math, well, that favors retention over creativity, profit over passion, and that's why so many incredible games never get the attention that they deserve. Building a game has never been easier, but getting seen? That's a challenge. Platforms are saturated, marketing is expensive, discoverability is limited. You pour months, maybe even years into a game, only to be buried because it doesn't hit certain engagement metrics. That's not healthy competition, it's algorithmic invisibility. Developers need a better system, one where your hard work reaches players who actually want it, without having to pay just to be noticed. I don't think gaming is broken, I think distribution is. And I've built something around that belief. Not to sell you on anything today, not to pitch, not to demo. I'm also not promising to sell you the future or the next big thing. Just a platform where great games can find the players who deserve them. Because when the system shifts, someone has to build a better path. And that's the path I'm walking.